Hey folks, it still feels like April, doesn't it? But it's still middle of January and temperatures are way above normal for this time of year. Still sitting at 80 plus across Hidalgo and Starr counties, 86 in Rio. You get closer to the coast, it's a little cooler. 79 Harlingen, Raymondville, 76 Brownsville and Port Isabel, and the island 71. You saw the fog kind of coming and going there. Much of the day was sun-filled though. Here's a look at tonight's lows, and these are above the normal highs. Our normal high for this time of year is 70, and for the most part we're going to be at that or above tonight for lows. And then tomorrow we climb back up in the 80s again, probably touching 89 in McAllen, 88 in Edinburgh, 89 in Rio. Here in Weslaco, 86. If we make that, that'll be a record. 84 in Raymondville and Harlingen, and then cooler at the beach once again. Again, your normal high for this time of year is 70. We're going to be way above that first thing in the morning. We just keep going up, and there's that record for tomorrow, 86. So we'll be knocking at the door. And then 85 on Thursday and Friday. Probably not record setting, but still well above average. Clouds have kind of come and gone today. We had some clouds this morning. They broke, and now some high clouds are streaming in. And of course, along the coast, that fog, even when it was gone at the island, it was sitting just offshore and then kind of worked its way back in this evening. If we watch Future Track, it says the fog kind of hangs out at the coast. During the daytime tomorrow, we start with clouds. We end up with partly sunny skies as the day goes on. Should be a rain-free day across the area. As we head into Thursday, a little more moisture pools, and we start to see with that maybe an isolated shower Thursday. Not a big chance of rain, about a 20% probability. Most areas stay dry, but a brief passing shower can't be completely ruled out. And then that moisture's gone on Friday, and we're back to partly sunny skies again. Both of those days, again, hanging in the mid-80s. So our rain chances the next 3 days, we don't see anything tomorrow. A slight possibility on Thursday at 20%, and then it tapers back off, and it's gone by the end of the day on Friday. But then Saturday, Sunday, it works back in again with the next cool front, which will slide into the region. I'll show you that in a second. These are current temperatures, 84 in Fowl. They topped out over 90 today. 80 in Laredo, 75 San Antonio, 60s up in North Texas, Lubbock, Dallas, 66, 64. So here's our warm front continuing to push to the north. Fronts all over the place in North Texas, but no fronts in South Texas. Not tomorrow. Thursday, there's one in the middle part of the state triggering some showers, but doesn't get here. It stalls in the middle of Texas and then moves back to the north on Friday. By Saturday, another cool front's on the map. That one, it looks like we'll get here probably second half of the day on Saturday. So Saturday will start warm. Actual high temperature will depend on timing of the front. Right now we're looking at probably low to mid 80s Saturday, but then the front goes through. Temperatures will drop off during the second half of the day, and then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday look below average for a change, probably in the 60s with perhaps a little bit of light rain and drizzle around Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And with the front on Saturday, there could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Tomorrow across Texas, if you're traveling, watch for a thunderstorm in San Antonio. Houston, some clouds, maybe a shower. 68 to start the day, both places. Dallas, a little cooler at 63. By the time you get to middle of the afternoon or lunchtime, temperatures are still in the 70s across most of Texas. Well, we should climb back into the 80s. At the coast, if you're headed that direction, southeast winds about 10 to 15 knots. Wind picks up a little bit tomorrow. Moderate chop, moderate UV, no advisories for tomorrow. Moderate risk of rip currents. There are 3 tides. The sea's running 2 to 5 feet. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, then partly cloudy with perhaps some late fog, 72. The most likely place to see fog will be right at the coast. And then tomorrow some clouds early, but then breezy and very warm for this time of year. 87 for your high. Southeast winds at about 10 to 20. Here's a look at the next 7 days. And we keep it warm through Saturday, but then late in the day a shower, maybe a thunder shower, and then it turns cooler. Look at Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Highs only in the low 60s with at least some light rain and drizzle around beginning on probably late Sunday into Monday. Nighttime lows cool off as well. That is your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.